Hi there, Emmanuel here, and today we're going to be talking about trading consistency. Yeah, and why most people really struggle to get any real trading consistency and making any real money online, using trading. And also how potentially maybe we can help you with that using this new indicator that we have called the quick turn indicator. Yeah, I'm going to give you examples of this indicator in action, and you can see it for yourself and why we're using that to help people get consistency. I'll go through all of that in a second, talk to you exactly the journey it's going to be to get from where you are potentially now to becoming a consistent trader. And as well as that, if you're interested, I'm going to give you access to the actual people that formed this indicator. And this whole group, these guys are 5, 6, 7-figure earners, and we're going to show you exactly how we use this, exactly how we use this indicator, and exactly how you can come and train with us and trade with us and see us using this thing in action completely for free. So I'm going to give you details on that in a second. But let's get started. Let's talk about this trading consistency. So this is where everybody wants to get to in trading. You want to get to a place where maybe you want to use trading to make some extra money, or maybe you just want to use it to, maybe you want to use it to become a full-time trader and have this as your way of life, which is kind of what the dream is for a lot of people. But unfortunately, when people come into trading, for some reason, people just believe trading is this really, really simple thing because they follow all this sort of stuff. They see this sort of, these people with Lamborghinis that are claiming that they got it through trading, and then nobody really knows where they got it, if they even got it through trading. Most of them probably are on demo accounts. They're not trading any money, and they take a picture next to a Lamborghini, and then they make you think the shiny object, because people think that this is very, very easy. It's just some secret that somebody's going to tell you, and you're going to be this Forex millionaire. But there's a journey to it. It's journey to it like there is to anything that pays you this well. There's a journey of learning to it. Or you get this. I see it on Instagram all the time. Somebody tells you about their pinpoint accuracy, and now they get a 1 to 50, and they do this all the time. And unfortunately, unless you don't know anything about trading, you'll see this. Anyone can do this. I could put a whole host of all my winners and make out like I rarely ever lose. But if anyone tells you that, you should honestly just run a mile, because nobody has a strategy that never loses. What consistency means, it doesn't mean you don't lose. It means you've got a slight edge over the market. It means that over a set of trades, usually we say 25 trades. If you take a set of 25 trades, at the end of that, when you add up your profit and your loss, you are profitable, and you do that consistently. So you have a set amount, maybe a set percentage, just to say it's 2% a month. You have a set percentage that over that set of trades, that 25, you can consistently make that percentage profit, say it's 2% every month. Then you have consistency, not these kind of one-off trades. Anyone can show you a one-off trade. Anyone can take a picture beside a Lamborghini and just make you feel like, oh my God, I need their strategy because they're going to show me the exact way to do this. There's actually a journey to becoming a consistent trader, and I actually wrote about it on my Facebook page. And if you want to go and have a look, you can have a look here. My page is facebook.com/Emmanuel Wilkie Online, and this was the article here that I wrote. I'm actually going to just show you the image. So this is the image. So there's actually really 3 stages to becoming a consistent trader. There's a 4th stage, but not everybody goes through this. But a lot of the people that I brought into the group that I trade with, said I'm going to give you access to, they get this beginner's luck. This one, because you learn a new strategy, you haven't got all the crap in your head from the other stuff, and you just do it as you're told, and then you start winning. Then you start overthinking it, and we start with the real first stage, which is the losing stage. Unfortunately, anything new that you don't know, you don't understand, you're going to go through a stage of learning, and in that learning, you're going to be losing money. So this is why we advise when you do that, on the first stage, do it on a demo account. In fact, any new trading strategy that you start, you should always do it on a demo account anyway. heed my advice on this, because most people don't. They think, oh, this person is showing me this strategy here where I buy at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and every single time I do that, I have a 100% winning rate. And unfortunately, they do it and they just blow their accounts, you know. So first stage is the losing stage, and you should do that on a demo. Also, your confidence is going to drop because we just naturally compare ourselves to others. You might see somebody else that actually got some consistency within a month or within 2 months, and you think, what is it about them that I'm not? Why can't I get it like they are? What's the matter with me? You know, am I stupid? And you doubt yourself, and before you know it, it's a downward spiral. And this is where most people actually quit. They actually quit, or they go off and they find the next shiny object that's telling them that they're going to make them a millionaire overnight. Then the next stage after that is, once you just continue practicing, you continue learning from leaders and mentors, you then go into a consolidation stage. Like I was talking, over that set of 25 trades, you kind of come out break even. You'll have some winners, you'll have some losers, but at the end of the month, when again you add your profit and loss, you're about at break even. You know, and people don't realize you are in a great place if you get to this stage. If you stick the course and you get to this stage, you're in a great place. You know, you've got trades that are winning, but you just don't know the sequence of that. You don't know, like, maybe your first 10 trades of that 25 are all losers. And instead of then thinking, oh my God, this doesn't work, let me go and find someone else, let me find some shiny object, you think, let me complete the 25. This is one of the things we work on, and that takes your mindset, and we really work on people's mindset. You don't realize that most of trading, especially consistent trading, is here. It's between your ears. It's the mindset to know you're on a journey, you know. So after that set of 25, you're more or less breaking even. You're now at the break even stage, and you're just one stage away now from where you really want to be, which is the consistency stage, where doing the same thing you've been taught, you're just doing the same patterns, you're trading the strategy in the same way you're doing it, you now start to find success over, again, a set of trades. We say 25. So now over that set of 25 trades now, if at the end of it you do your profit and loss and you're up, let's just say you're up 1%, you now are at the consistency stage. If you do it for the first set of 25 and you do it again, now you're at a stage of consistency. Whatever the percentage is, it means you've got a slight edge over the market, over a set of trades, over a series of trades. And then all you do then is you just tweak that to adjust to get more out of the market, so that your earnings and your risk to reward and your risk profile goes up more, and you just make more doing the same thing every time. And that's how you find consistency. It's not this shiny object stuff. It definitely is not that. And it's very, very strange, because trading has this crazy thing. I mean, if I said to you now, you said to me you wanted to be a plastic surgeon, for example, and I said to you, well, you've got a journey, you've got to go through a journey to learn that. You've got to go to school, you've got to follow the professionals. You would say to me, yeah, fine. You know, you wouldn't go to plastic surgeon school on day one, see somebody doing an operation, for example, let's say a nose job, and you say to them, okay, give me the scalpel, I'm going to have a go myself. It's crazy, but for some reason with trading, you know, because of all this stuff, because of all this shiny object stuff that people tell you, oh, I made a Lamborghini with 5 trades, people just believe, like, right, I'm just going to follow this person, I'm going to take money, I'm going to go live, and I'm not going to learn anything, and then I'm just going to blow my account. Do you know what I mean? So you just have to be really, really mindful. And so one thing we've done as a group, we thought to ourselves, how can we make this journey as easy as possible? How can we help people to get into consistency as easy or as quickly as possible? And the thing we found is something we're calling the quick turn indicator, which has been helping people, rather than take years to do this, because most people would have taken 1 to 5 years to get consistency on the Forex trading. We're now seeing people do it in months. Do you know, some have even done it in weeks, just using this. And I want to show you this quick turn indicator now. Like I said, I was going to show you earlier on. This is it in action. And here's the kind of, it's almost like a double-edged sword of this, because it's so easy. People have to sort of think, it can't be this easy, I've got to complicate it. And that's, if you just follow this, you know, if you just follow what we're teaching here, we have seen people get consistency in amazingly quick time. Like always, we still advise you start this on a demo. You know, you do the same steps that we were just talking about a second ago. You do your 25 trade sets on a demo, and then you get the consistency. And then when you're seeing profit on your demo account, that's when you think about going live. But let me just show you this in action. Yeah. So this is all you need to do with this thing, right? It's a trending indicator. So that means when price is trending. And even if you can't work that out, we've got all these things to show you. So basically, if we're buying, it's blue. So these are moving averages, and they're just colored in. But you see the blue is colored in and it's wide, and this is looking like it stairs almost going up. So that's telling you you're buying. And then you get one of these indicators. These are what we call the quick turn indicators. Yeah. And so it's like blue and blue and blue. If you get the three blues, you buy. I know it seems too simple, but that's it. This is on the US 30, one of the indices. Yeah, it works on indices, it works on Forex, you know, even works on crypto. Yeah, but I'm showing you on US 30 because US 30 is one of the notoriously hardest pairs to trade because it's so volatile. But we are using it on a 5-minute scalp here. Yeah, on the US 30. Yeah, so look at this. This is the indicator, blue, blue, blue. Buy there, stop loss there, just underneath the arrow. I'm going for 1 to 2. You know, just go. I'm going for 1 to 2 in, out. 1 to 2, you would have won that one. Another one here. Buy there, stop loss there, 1 to 2. Again, you would have won that. This one again. Buy there, stop loss there, 1 to 2. You would have won that. So that's 3 trades on a 5-minute chart that would have made you. If you're risking 1% to make 2, then on all of these you would have won. So that's 6%. Yeah, that's a 6% increase on your account just using this quick turn indicator. I want to show you another pair. I want to show you on a Forex pair as well. Let's have a look at the pound odd. And also I want to show you on a different time because it works on different times. I mean, 5-minute, maybe if you're working a job, you haven't got time to sit around and sit on a 5-minute chart. But this is a 1 hour now. We're on the pound odd. Again, same thing. It goes either way, but I'm just showing you buys here. You can do it for sales as well if it's in the red zone and then the red arrows. I've turned the down arrows off. So I just want to show you the buys. So look, there, like I said, arrow, blue, wide, yeah, trending. This is the indicator. It tells you it's trending. This is a free indicator we give you as well for free. There you go. There's the arrow. Entry there. Stop loss there. 1 to 2 would have made it. Another one here, entry there, stop loss there, 1 to 2 would have made it. Another one here, entry there, stop loss there, 1 to 2 would have made it. This one here, but be mindful, like I said at the beginning, not everything is 100%. You don't win everything. Yeah, but if you follow this basics, you're going to win. You're going to put the edge. You're going to put the consistency on your side. Yeah, this one would have lost. You see here, entry there, stop loss there, came down, would have taken you out. You would have lost that. And I want to show you that loss because I want you to realize that this isn't something, there's no shiny object here, but I've shown you 3 there, 4 trades here and 3 on the other one. That's 7 trades and 6 of them won. That's all you need. That's the edge you need. You do 25 trades like that, you're gonna see consistency towards the end of it. Do you know what I mean? And that's what we're trying to do, is to help people get to that consistency, because we know how notoriously difficult it is and how so many people just drop off, and they just 95 to 97% of people just give up at this stage, at the beginning stage. And that's just the beginning. You're on your way. You can get there, and we can actually help you with that now. So like I was saying at the beginning, if you want to come and see the leaders in action doing this on the charts, doing training and trading, then I'm going to offer you access to our group. You're going to get completely free access for next week to our group. We're the leaders. These are the leaders here. They get on every single day from Monday to Friday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is 5 p.m. GMT. And they go onto these webinars. They last usually about 1 hour, 1 hour and a half, where they answer everybody's questions. They show you this in action. Like I just showed you that quick turn there. They show you in action. They show you everything we do in our trading group. And you get to come and see that for next week absolutely for free. So if that's something you're interested in, what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave a link just below this video. Just click on that. And once you've opted in, you'll get a video that will show you exactly what you need to do to get onto this free training. It's completely for free. It's no credit card, nothing at all. You know what I mean? and you can come and watch this in action for yourself. And hopefully we can help you to get into that holy grail of trading consistently quicker than anyone else. Yeah. So I'm hoping that you want to come and have a look and see what we do. Again, if you want to, links will be below. But either way, listen, I do hope you got some value from this. If you did, please take a second, just give it a thumbs up. Also share it with anyone else you think might get some value from this as well. If you have any questions at all, any questions on this quick turn, any questions on the group, anything at all, please don't hesitate. Just leave it in the comments box below. All right, once again, thank you very much for listening. Hope you have a great day. Till next time, have a good evening, and I'll speak to you soon. All the best. Take care.